So we received a call at 1955 hours for a fire alarm at 18122 Claridon Troy Road. Upon our arrival, we found high levels of carbon monoxide were found on the first floor. After investigating the source of the carbon monoxide, crews found the generators powering the building were ventilated towards the interior of the building. Several residents complained of various symptoms. After they complained, EMS units were dispatched, called to the scene to triage and transport patients. Fire crews assisted staff with evacuation of the entire building, and the generators were turned off. All residents were evacuated, and 5 were transported to area hospitals. Natural gas to the building was turned off. The Geauga County EMA also responded to the scene and was able to provide a temporary generator supply for electricity to the building. Multiple fire department and EMS agencies also responded to assist in this evacuation and transport.
At this point, do we know if the people are going to be okay that were taken to the hospital?
I don't know. I will say that most of them were non-critical at this point.
Do we know how long they had been exposed to the carbon monoxide?
I do not.
Can you just talk about, obviously there's a lot of people without power right now, and while of course nursing homes and places like that need generators, there are a lot of risks involved. What should people be aware of so this does not happen?
Symptoms as far as monitor your health as far as headaches, bright rosy red cheeks, nausea, vomiting.
But in terms of how to keep the generators safely so it doesn't...
Make sure they're vented properly. And use carbon monoxide detectors as well.
Did this building have carbon monoxide detectors?
Yes, and that's what alerted us.
Okay, so it was the carbon monoxide detector that went off?
When did they start seeing the patients or any of the employees feeling woozy or feeling the effects of the carbon monoxide?
As soon as we arrived, and that's why we had, I would say within 5 minutes of our arrival, we had symptoms, and that's when we started our mass casualty box.
Where are the residents who were evacuated going to go?
So, like I said, the gas is turned off to the building. They're working on their fix right now for that. The electricity is getting hooked up by an electrician, and also the Geauga County EMA offered a generator. So they're able to go back into that building. It's cleared. There is no parts per million of CO in that building.
Were all the people who were transported seniors, or were there any employees or staff who were transported?
Right now, I don't know. I know that we did evaluate some employees and staff. I don't know if they were transported this time.
Hospitals, multiple hospitals called for mass casualty?
We went to 2 hospitals. We went to UH Geauga and also UH Portage.
So no ages or sex for any of the people transported?
Not at this time.
Okay.
For your guys, and all the guys around here, you had a tornado go through this week, you had, rain events, all sorts of stuff. How are your guys doing, and have you ever seen an event like this, a mass CO event?
Yes, we have. We've dealt with one last year, but our guys are holding up. I have a great crew here, and it's all a support system here. So that's our crew is 100% on top of it. So.
Do you know approximately how many people were exposed?
I do not at this time.
No, you don't know how many people were in the building either?
No, not at this time.